Meet Alex and Tom, both have $10,000, both started in the same economy. One explodes their wealth, doubling it in just 6 short years. The other, still utterly stuck after 12 brutal years, frustrated, angry, and convinced the system is rigged. Here's the gut punch. It wasn't luck, not timing, no secret insider trade, just understanding one brutal, unforgiving rule, and the stubborn will to not break it. Here's the terrifying part. 90% of people are still making this exact mistake today. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only know the rule, you'll have a clear plan to use it, plus one bonus trick that can shave years off your waiting time. Alex did his research and picked a broad market index fund with an 8 to 10% historical return. Check the balance twice a year. That's it. No tweaking, no headline chasing, no panic. He let the math do the work. Tom was a smart guy, but he lived for the noise. 4 newsletters, daily market feeds, hot tips every morning. He picked a managed fund with a glossy track record and an innocent 2% fee that sounded reasonable until you do the math. When the market dipped, he shuffled into bonds. When it bounced, he scrambled back in. Always late, always paying for the timing. He thought he was playing smarter. He wasn't. He was playing a different game, one where costs, timing mistakes, and friction silently ate his returns. Here's the brutal payoff. Alex doubled his $10,000 in 6 years. But Tom, still waiting after 12 years, 6 years of Tom's life, vaporized. That's not bad luck. That's a behavior tax that most people don't even know they're paying in a tiny bit of math. So what did Alex understand that Tom didn't? Before we do the math, I want you to look at a number on the screen that should haunt you. 6. That is the number of years Tom lost. Not dollars, but years. In a moment, I'm going to show you exactly where those 6 years went and how you might be losing them right now without even realizing it. Before mentioning the reason you're waiting for, drop a like and subscribe to get wired for money. It all comes down to the physics of money, the rule of 72. 72 divided by your return rate gives you how many years it will take to double your money. Think that's too simple? Let's look at the cost of being average. 6% return. Your money crawls, it takes 12 years to double. 12% return, your money sprints, it doubles in 6 years. That 6% difference doesn't just cut your wait time, it buys back 6 years of your life. That's 2,190 days you no longer have to spend answering to a boss. But here is the catch. The rule of 72 is merciless. To force it to work, you have to pull 2 non-negotiable levers. Pull them wrong, like Tom, and you're paying a silent tax that resets your clock to 0. Lever number 1, the net return trap. It's not what you earn, it's what you keep. Tom saw an 8% return, but a 2% fee and 3% in taxes meant his rule of 72 was actually working on a 5% crawl. While Alex doubled in 6 years, Tom was still grinding at year 12. Lever number 2, the inactivity secret. A study of brokerage accounts showed the best performing investors were literally inactive people. Why? Because they didn't touch the machine. Every time you shuffle your portfolio like Tom, you reset the clock. Now, remember those 11 years Tom lost? He wasn't just unlucky. By ignoring these 2 levers, he accidentally turned a 6-year doubling sprint into a 12-year marathon. He didn't just lose money, he lost a better part of a decade. Now that you know the number 1 reason people fail, there are 3 decisions that control your doubling clock. Miss even one and the rule of 72 will quietly steal years from you. Most people are driving a bicycle on a highway and wondering why they're being overtaken. Not all assets are created equal, not even close. Your vehicle sets the expected annual return, and hence your double time. Quick reality check. Savings account gives roughly 2%, doubles in approximately 36 years. Bonds give around 4%, which will double in 18 years. S&P 500 index fund has historic return of approximately 8 to 10%, so approximately 7 to 9 years. Real estate after costs, nearly 6 to 8%, that translates to approximately 9 to 12 years. Crypto could double next week or vanish by Tuesday. Pick the right vehicle and you change the timeline radically. Pick the wrong one and no amount of hustle will make the math bend in your favor. So ask yourself, are you choosing a vehicle based on headlines or based on realistic long-term odds? This is the part that should make you angry. Most advisors are trained to keep you blind to this part and make the system rigged. Fees, taxes, and slippage are invisible compounding killers. They don't take a one-time cut, they shave your annual rate year after year. Crunch this. A 2% management fee on an investment that grossed 8% doesn't nibble returns. It slashes them to 6%. The rule of 72 then moves your doubling time from 9 years to 12 years. That's 3 extra years you handed to someone else. For what? A glossy PDF and a fancy dashboard? Studies repeatedly show retail investors often lose 1 to 3% per year to fees and bad timing. That gap sounds small until you realize it can turn a 9-year doubling into a 14-year wait. So the question is blunt. Are you paying for value or paying for vanity? You can have a Ferrari vehicle and 0 speed bumps, but if you keep hitting the brakes, you'll never arrive. You could pick the perfect vehicle and pay 0 fees, but if you panic sell, chase fads, or jump back in late, you'll hand the market the win. Remember the bonus promised earlier? This is how you shave off years. Here's an astonishing stat. Miss the 10 best trading days across a decade and your overall returns can drop by nearly half. Think about that. 10 days out of 3,650 and your 10-year plan collapses. That's the cost of being reactive. Tom's story? He moved to safety during a dip, missed the rebound, and re-entered after the rally had already done the heavy lifting. One emotional move cost him years of doubling time. Behavior flips the math against you more reliably than any market downturn ever could. Here's the secret sauce. Vehicle, costs, and behavior are not independent. They multiply each other. A great vehicle with high fees and bad behavior becomes a mediocre outcome. A low-cost fund with poor timing becomes a missed opportunity. You need all 3 working together. Remember, the rule of 72 is ruthless but generous. It rewards clarity. Fix these 3 decisions and you don't need a miracle. You need discipline, cheap friction, and a vehicle that actually matches your goal. Miss one and the clock keeps ticking against you. Tick, tick, tick. Look at it again. That image you just saw, that's not just a graph. That's someone's entire financial life playing out in front of you. See Alex's line: clean, impatiently boring, quietly relentless. Now look at Tom's: jagged, frantic, full of self-inflicted wounds and interruptions. Alex's advantage wasn't some whispered secret from a back alley or a supercomputer trading algorithm. It was one ruthless, brutal idea applied with unwavering discipline. Don't fight compounding. Interference is the absolute enemy of doubling. Every twitch, every panic, every smart move, every unnecessary fee, it's a silent financial assassin. The brutal breakdown: this will sting. Alex's algorithm: he simply parked his $10,000 in a low-cost index fund with a microscopic 0.03% expense ratio, letting the math grind out a consistent 8% return. He even had the cold-blooded discipline to buy more when others were panicking during market dips. Hence his net return stayed brutally close to 11.5% because there were almost no fees, no tax gymnastics, and 0 emotional panic selling. His money doubled in 6 years. Period. End of discussion. Tom's trap: he fell victim to the industry's slow, agonizing bleed. A 2% fee, incessant, frantic timing attempts, switching back and forth between assets to ride the wave, and emotional exits that always landed him in the red. His net return plummeted to a pathetic 5.3%. What did that get him? Over 13 years to double. Same $10,000, same starting gun, but an almost 7-year difference in the finish line. Think about that. That's 7 years of vacations you could have taken, 7 years earlier retirement, 7 years of financial peace, or 7 years of compounding he simply handed away. This isn't hypothetical. This is real-time life lost to tiny, avoidable choices. The rule of 72 is your mirror. It doesn't lie. It reflects what your choices actually buy you: years of freedom or decades of regret. Choose like Alex. Win back your time. Here is your ultimate takeaway. The rule of 72 isn't a math formula, it's a wealth GPS. It screams which of your decisions are accelerating you and which are slowing you down. If you want the full system, I've got your next steps locked and loaded. Right here, I've got 2 videos designed to unlock the next level. One breaks down your paycheck, showing you exactly how to allocate for wealth building. The other reveals the 3 decisions that will ultimately decide 90% of your wealth in this lifetime. Don't just watch this, act on it. Your future self isn't just waiting, they're demanding you hit play.